Thunderbolt Designs, aesthetic touch. It's design solution for your projects. Architectural design, structural design.
Do you need ideas for a commercial building? Would you like to renovate your existing commercial building? Thunderbolt Design provide a variety of services including new construction, additions to existing buildings, interior renovation, and more.
Electrical design, mechanical design, machine design. (3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D rendering).
Corporate branding, brand manuals, and strategy. Corporate infographic videos. Website and mobile application.
Contact us. Blow 251 911 36 78 63 email DRECHUBABAI@gmail.com or AUSARUDERE@gmail.com. Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.
Thunderbolt Designs, aesthetic touch.